Greeting dear students, in today's lecture we'll be learning the calculation of cost of material consumed during the year. So there are some items like for example you can say that stationery in case of educational institution and likewise medicines in case of hospitals, because all these are types of non-profit organizations. Sports material in case of sports clubs. So all these items usually have opening as well as closing stock. So in all the above cases, we have to calculate goods consumed during the year so that it can be debited to income and expenditure account, because we will be preparing income and expenditure account. So we have to calculate cost of material consumed so that it can be debited to income and expenditure account. And you know that income and expenditure follows the accrual basis of accounting. So for accrual basis of accounting, you need to calculate the amount of material consumed during the year. So there can be three situations in this particular case, which we'll be discussing one by one. Three situations. And moreover, there are 2 or 3 methods, alternative methods. There are, we can write it down, 2 methods of calculating cost of material. Cost of material means cost of stationery, cost of medicines, and cost of sports material used. So let us discuss all those conditions and methods one by one. So let us see what is there in situation 1. In situation 1, when opening stock, goods purchased, means opening stock of these goods, opening stock of stationery, opening stock of material, medicines, opening stock of sports material. So when opening stock and goods purchased during the year, during the current year, as well as closing stock is given in the numerical. So in this case we are having just 3 details: opening stock, goods purchased during the year, and closing stock. In that case, how to calculate material consumed? Let us see. So in that case, material consumed can be calculated through a statement. So first of all, I am showing you a statement. Method 1. In situation 1, we'll be using 2 methods. So this is the first method with the help of statement. So we can mention here statement showing calculation of material consumed. Calculation of material consumed. So here there will be particulars and then amount. So first item will be opening stock. Whatever opening stock will be having, that will be written here, and in this opening stock we'll be adding goods or material. It can be stationery, it can be medicine, it can be sports material. So goods purchased during the year, and these purchases can be cash and credit. So if credit purchases are given to you, we'll assume that cash purchases are nil, but in some cases you will find that cash and credit both are given to us. So we'll take total purchases. I repeat, opening stock plus purchases. It can be cash and credit or cash or credit. So whatever details are given to us relating to purchases, we'll be taking that, and from that we'll deduct closing stock. Closing stock of these material. It can be stationery, it can be medicines, or it can be sports equipment. So we'll be deducting from this, and then the final result after calculating this will be our cost of material consumed, and this amount, the amount which we will be getting here, this will be debited to income and expenditure account. This is how we'll be dealing with this. And the second alternative method will be through preparation of stock account, like stock of medicines, stock of stationery, and stock of sports equipments. So whatever be the case, this is debit side and credit side. So here we'll be writing opening stock to balance, brought down. Opening stock will be written here. Likewise, closing stock, balance carried down. This is closing stock, and then purchases will be recorded here. So if it is a credit purchase, we'll be writing creditors. Bracket mein you can mention credit purchases. And if it is a cash, we'll mention cash. In the bracket you can mention purchases. Now, debit side is always more because it's a stock, so this cannot go in negative. This side will always be more than this, and the balancing figure which will be recording here, this balancing figure will be your cost of material consumed. So here we'll be writing by income and expenditure account, which is cost of material consumed. So this is how it is to be prepared. So today's lecture I have taken one numerical for you which is related to this. So we'll be solving this numerical. With both the methods, we'll be solving it. Yes. So calculation of material consumed from the following information. Opening stock is given to you. Then closing stock of medicine is also given to us. Medicine purchased during the year. So you can do either with the help of statement or with the help of account. Stock of medicine account. So let us start. So its solution will be, we are going to calculate cost of material consumed so opening stock of medicines. Here you can mention cost of medicines consumed, because here you know the material. So opening stock is 10,000. In this 10,000 you can add you can add purchases during the year, medicines purchased during the year. So medicine purchase are 30,000. So total medicines available for consumption are 40,000. And out of this, how much medicines are used by us? So from this we'll be deducting closing stock of medicines. So closing stock of medicines are 15,000. So after that you will be able to get medicines consumed during the year, or add this is to be debited to income and expenditure account. So medicine consumed will be 25,000. So this is how it is to be calculated, and this was method 1. You can also prepare the alternate method, stock of medicine account. Let us see how it is to be prepared. Stock of medicines account. So here you will be writing opening stock to balance brought down. Opening stock is given to us as 10,000. Closing stock balance carried down, it is 15,000. You can make proper format. I am giving you an idea as to how this is to be recorded in the ledger. So 2 purchases are given to us. It can be cash or it can be credit. So we are assuming that these are credit purchases. For that we'll write creditors. Purchases are purchases are given to us as 30,000. So the total medicine available were 40,000, out of which how much is left in the stock? 15,000. It means medicines consumed is 25,000, which will be debited to income and expenditure account. This is medicines consumed. So I hope this cost of material consumed must be clear to you, and we have used various methods, 2 methods, and in the next subsequent section we will be using one more additional method which is liked by the students. So I hope this first situation, when opening stock, goods purchased and closing stock is given in the numerical, is clear to you. So we'll be applying a simple formula: opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Or if you want to make this stock of medicine, you can make this also. Thank you. Have a nice day.